I'm amazed. My friends, this is an incredibly promising, state-of-the-art and lucrative strategy. It involves utilizing multiple AI programs and has the potential to generate up to $120,000 per month. Yes, you heard it right, $120,000 a month.
Yeah, now we're talking!
In this video, I will demonstrate the 5 simple steps for creating YouTube videos in one of the most profitable niches. And stay tuned until the end, where I will reveal a powerful tool that will enhance your video editing skills and create eye-catching video covers. With this tool, you can boost your income by 3 or even 4 times, even if you have no prior experience in editing or designs. Greetings, my fellow YouTube hackers. It's Mike Ross here. Currently, I oversee 9 YouTube channels that generate a monthly income of over $100,000. Are you interested in achieving the same level of income? Do you want to gain invaluable knowledge and support to skyrocket your channel? Then stick around until the end of this episode, where I will unveil my method and show you how to make it happen.
Let's get to it!
There are numerous channels on YouTube covering different niches. Take, for example, the Monstro channel, which simply repurposes content from TikTok. While this can be an option for making money, it's not as profitable as the channel I want to introduce to you. This channel operates in the most promising niche on YouTube called the AI grid. Not only does it create content using AI, but the channel itself is dedicated to AI. YouTube pays approximately $45 per 1,000 views for such videos, whereas on the previous channel you could only earn around $1 per 1,000 views. The reason behind this is that AI companies heavily advertise on YouTube and are more interested in content related to AI, like on the AI Grid channel, rather than on the channels like Monstro that cater to 8 to 10-year-old kids. The adult audience, which is more willing to invest in new technology, is the target audience for these companies. If you check the CPM, which is cost per milli, price per 1,000 views, on Social Blade, you'll find that their reported figures are inaccurate. They state a maximum CPM of $4, but that's not true. I have a channel in this niche, and the CPM is approximately $40. That means that the earnings are 10 times higher, resulting in around $120,000 per month. What an incredible achievement for a channel created in January 2023. Isn't it an amazing niche? I know you aspire to make a significant income from it. Don't worry if you have concerns about filming or editing videos. On my channel, I always provide the best step-by-step strategies that allow you to go from earning $1,000 to $10,000 and then from $10,000 to $100,000 per month without filming or editing. So be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for updates. Now, it's time to delve into our 5-step strategy, which is incredibly easy to follow. The best part, you can accomplish all these steps using just your phone, no laptop required. Whether you're standing in line, riding the subway, or sitting in a cafe, you can write videos and earn hundreds of thousands of dollars in passive income. The key is to carefully follow each step, mirroring my actions to ensure success. Let's get started. Step 1, finding viral content. Our objective is not to reinvent the wheel, but to rather to replicate what already works on YouTube. We want to identify the most viral videos and serve as models for our own content, ensuring maximum interaction with the YouTube algorithm. I recommend selecting the video that has gained the most views in the shortest span of time. To illustrate, let's take a look at this particular video that amassed nearly 500,000 views in just 14 days. In the comments, let me know which video you think has the most potential for promotion and becoming the most viral. Now, let's move on to step number 2, obtaining the script. To begin, click on the 3 dots located below the video window on the right side and select Show Transcript. This will take us to the transcript window. Copy all the contents from the transcript. Here comes a crucial tip that will help us transform this text. We will be using a powerful AI tool called Quillbot. Visit quillbot.com and paste the copied text into the provided window. Click on Rephrase, and voila! Quillbot will generate a completely new script for us. The orange words have been replaced, the yellow ones indicate structural changes, and the blue ones remain unchanged. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments to the blue words. Please note that in the free version, you can only insert up to 125 words at a time. Therefore, you'll need to insert the entire script in multiple parts. However, the process is relatively quick and straightforward. I'm really counting on your guys' support. Please remember to like this video, as I'll be sharing some more incredible content creation tools with you. Let's make YouTube rock. All right, let's move on to the next step. Step 3, generate a voiceover. While you can record your own voice using your phone, there's an even easier option using AI. Introducing a cutting-edge software called 11labs.io. With this powerful tool, you can effortlessly convert text into a voiceover. Simply paste our script here, wait a moment, and we can play it back.
So in this video, we're going to talk about one of the most significant research papers ever published.
Wow, sounds amazing, doesn't it? By the way, you can also customize the voice to your liking. You can choose from various options like Arnold or Ellie. Oh, and the Arnold voice is so naturalistic that even it reminds me of my old teacher.
Mike Ross, go to the damn gym.
Once we're satisfied with the voiceover, all that's left to do is download the audio file, click on download audio, and you're done. Now, on to step 4, video editing. For this step, we need to compile the video using different non-copyrighted clips and images. You can follow established methods and techniques to source videos from stock footage libraries. I've actually applied this method in one of my previous videos where I demonstrated how to make $6,000 to $12,000 a month through relaxing music. If you're interested in exploring another effortless income opportunity, I've included a link in the description down below. Now, let's dive into another option for creating videos with minimal time, effort, and money. Head over to Fiverr.com and search for Video Editor. You can set your budget to a maximum of $20 and filter by newest arrivals. Here, you'll find affordable video editors who can deliver high-quality results. As you can see, many of them have experience in creating videos specifically for YouTube. Let's take a look at one of these editors. Click on the video to see the details of their services, including the turnaround time and cost. This method offers a cost-effective solution that saves you the trouble of editing, especially if you're not familiar with the process. By investing a small amount of money, you can have a stunning video created for you. It's a great option. Let's move on to the last step, creating a thumbnail. A captivating thumbnail plays a crucial role in attracting viewers to your video. You want everyone to be enticed to go on your first date with your video, so to speak. Therefore, the thumbnail should be visually appealing and enticing. If you have some design experience, you can create the thumbnail yourself using Canva. However, if you prefer, you can also find affordable thumbnail designers on Fiverr. Simply search for YouTube thumbnail and set a budget of no more than $5. There are plenty of options available, so choose a designer based on their previous work and proposed conditions. Consider incorporating a visually appealing element from the middle of your video into the thumbnail, particularly to something relevant to an AI-focused channel. Lastly, don't forget the immense potential of this channel, which can earn up to $120,000 a month with just 80 videos, similar to the AI Grid channel. I firmly believe that YouTube is the ultimate online money-making platform. With my extensive years of experience on YouTube, I am unequivocally certain about this. Naturally, achieving your goal requires a foundational knowledge and strategic approach. That's precisely why I've developed an online course. No longer will you have to spend excessive time scouring for dispersed information across YouTube. There's no need to experiment with trial and error to determine what works and what doesn't. I've meticulously assembled all of the necessary components to guide you step by step from channel creation to generating profits of $10,000 or even $100,000 per month. This course is tailored for both newcomers embarking on their YouTube journey without a channel and for those already possessing a channel but struggling to initiate income generation or amplify profits. You'll find the link in the description below this video. Join my course, Hack YouTube, and together we'll delve into every crucial aspect for cultivating a prosperous channel that can yield $10,000 per month on YouTube. We'll identify the most lucrative niche for you, outline diverse monetization strategies, craft a 3-month channel management plan, reveal the most relevant shortcuts for video design, share an array of secret tools for content creation and enhancement, demystify the workings of YouTube algorithms, and devise tactics to leverage them, ensuring your videos consistently land in YouTube's recommendations. By the course's conclusion, you'll possess your very own monetized YouTube channel and a guaranteed avenue to realize your dreams through earnings. And now, I want to share with you guys the results of my students who already finished the course and hacked YouTube with me.
Hi, it's Ralph.
I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Alex.
It's Sophie.
I was trained on the Hack YouTube by Mike Ross.
And I can safely say that I've hacked YouTube.
Almost $6,000. This is how much I earned on my 3 channels over the past month.
Already brings me more than $100 a day.
And in just 2 months, I got to 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
And only thing I regret that I didn't buy this course earlier.
Mike, I am immensely grateful to you for changing my life for the better.
You're well equipped to take the next step. Click the link in the description now, provide your contact details, and embark on your journey to become a YouTube money maven alongside me. Can't wait to have you on board. Looking forward to your participation. Wow, that's amazing, right? We've uncovered a highly promising strategy that leverages AI tools and has the potential to generate up to $120,000 per month. But hold on, there's an even more lucrative strategy that's absolutely mind-blowing.
Wow! No way!
In my other video, I revealed how you can create captivating content about adorable kittens that earn a whopping $211,000 per month. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click here now and be among the first to discover this money-making goldmine. The link is also provided in the video description. That's all for now. This was Mike Ross, your guide to success. Keep watching my videos, continue growing, and unlock the path to wealth. Wishing you the best of luck, and may you have fantastic YouTube hacker days. Peace out.